Good morning, student. Today my topic name is the United Nations. The formation of United Nations. After World War II, the nations of the world come together to find a way to prevent wars in the future. The United Nations was born in the year 1945. A set of rules called the Charter of the United Nations was made at a conference in San Francisco, USA. It was signed by 51 member countries on 24 October 1945. Today, United Nations has 193 member countries. Aims of the United Nations: to help fight diseases and preserve the environment, to develop friendly relations between nations. इसका एक मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ये भी था कि नेशंस के बीच में फ्रेंडली रिलेशन बनाकर रखना, ह्यूमन राइट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करना, द फ्रीडम ऑफ ऑल द पीपल, टू मेंटेन इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी. United Nations sends military force called peacekeeping force to prevent war, to achieve international cooperation in solving economic and social problems. Principle of the United Nations. All the members countries must obey the charter. The countries must try to settle their differences by peaceful means. All countries that are members of the United Nations are equal, however developed or undeveloped they may be. The United Nations will not interfere in the domestic affair of any country. The member states shall support the United Nations in all its activity. Organization of the United Nations. The General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economics and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice and the Secretariat. The General Assembly. जो जनरल असेंबली है वो यूनाइटेड नेशंस का मेन ऑर्गन माना जाता है. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ ऑल 193 members countries. Each country has one vote and they meet once a year. They discuss actions of the United Nations. Every member country puts forward its ideas and opinions. Important decisions require a two-third majority vote. Members decide routine matters with simple majority vote. The Security Council. It is most powerful organ of the United Nations. It has 15 members countries, out of which 5 are permanent members. The other 10 members are elected for a term of 2 years. The rest 10 countries are non-permanent members and are elected for a period of 2 years. Looks after international peace and security. China, France, Russia, United Kingdom and the USA are the permanent members. The Economic and Social Council. This works under the General Assembly. It looks after several agencies that work for poor and needy. Looks after the programs of the United Nations which provides help to developing nations. They help the poor, sick and illiterates. They look after the issues like human rights, regulation of trade and equality of women. The Trusteeship Council. It was established to look after 11 regions of world which were called trusts. They were not independent when the council was set up, but now these countries have become independent. So the council is not functional now. The International Court of Justice. The judicial organ of the United Nations. Its headquarters are at The Hague. It settles disputes between the countries. It consists of 15 judges and is the legal court of the United Nations. It also advises countries on international law. The Secretariat. The people who work in the United Nations form the Secretariat. They carry out day-to-day work of the United Nations. Head is the Security General. She carries out the decisions of the Security Council and is a powerful person. Secretary General is chosen by General Assembly for a term of 5 years. Achievements of the United Nations. The United Nations plays a very important role in arms control, especially in preventing the use of nuclear weapons. It has been successful in its fight against poverty, diseases and illiteracy. It has been also successful in increasing cultural cooperation among countries. The United Nations has tried to prevent tension and wars between countries. For example, war between India and Pakistan, Iraq and Iran, Israel and the Arab countries, North and South Korea. Some of the agencies. UNESCO. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization encourages international cooperation in the fields of education, science and culture. It was established by the United Nations in 1946. UNICEF. The United Nations Children's Fund, earlier known as United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It works for children and their rights. WHO. It was established by the United Nations in 1948. The World Health Organization looks after the public health at international level. Mainly it works to promote the general health of the people across the world. FAO. The Food and Agriculture Organization works toward removing hunger from the world. It helps nations to increase food production. ILO. The International Labour Organization provides opportunities to men and women in getting work. India's contribution to the United Nations. India has been a member of the United Nations since it was formed in 1945. India has always stood for peace and played an important role in the United Nations' effort for world peace. Achievements of India. India puts forward concern of developing countries at the United Nations. Many Indians work in the United Nations agencies and India has received help from these United Nations agencies for its development programs. India Armed Forces are used in peacekeeping forces in the Middle East and in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Sudan. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.